Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Yvonne Star coming to you with another video. And for new subscribers, guys, welcome. And for returning subscribers, welcome. And for those who are watching this video for the first time, please give me a like and share. And don't forget to ring the notification bell. And just write something nice in the comment for me. Well, today I am going to be cooking some chicken foot stew, Dominican style. Here I have my seasoning cut up in chunks because I'm going to blend everything together. So I have my tomato here, my bell pepper, my onion, and this is my garlic, my black pepper, some salt, some brown sugar, and over here I have my seasoning, my all-purpose seasoning salt, and this is a hot pepper sauce that I choose to use. You can use any one that you use on your table, or if you want to purchase something that is hotter, you can use something else to your delight. And also, this is the oil that I choose to use. This is optional. You can use whatever oil you choose to use. And over here, I have some plantain. That is, I use this as my side dish. And here, I have my chicken foot marinated in the all-purpose seasoning. Now guys, I'm going to take you over to the pot, to the pan. And then I'm going to be putting the sugar in. And I'm going to be burning the sugar so that the sugar gives the chicken foot some color. So I'm the sugar evenly in the pot. And when the sugar starts to bubble, that is when I'm going to put the chicken foot in. And the purpose of this is to give the chicken foot some color. Now I'm going to proceed to put my chicken foot in the pot. And then I'm going to stir. You see how nicely brown the chicken foot is getting? So you want to just do this to distribute. You want to keep stirring to distribute the chicken foot throughout the oil so that all the chicken foot gets the color from the sugar. you keep stirring until all the sugar is evenly distributed on the chicken foot. Just like that. You keep stirring the chicken foot and let the sugar distribute on all the chicken foot evenly so it gets that brown color. So I'm gonna turn the pot down, turn the stove down, and then I'm gonna proceed to make the seasoning. All these seasoning, I'm gonna put them in the blender so they blend out evenly and smooth. So I'm gonna be blending all the seasoning right now. Now I'm going to throw the blended seasoning on the chicken foot. Then I'm going to cook this and let it get soft to the point where you can actually put the chicken foot in your mouth and suck the meat off the bone. So I'm going to be cooking it down and let it get very soft. So when it's cooked down a little bit, then I put a little more water on it and leave it to simmer. Yes guys, I have to let it cook until it's practically soft, where you can actually put the chicken foot in your mouth and suck the meat off. So right now it's halfway there, so I am going to be cooking it, and when it's ready guys, I'll come back and show you. Okay? Now guys, I'm going to be cooking it. Put a little bit more water on it so it steams down. Yes guys, I have to transfer it over into a deeper pot where I could get a better cover fitting. And since I'm cooking it on the small side of the stove, this pot is good enough. So I'm going to cook it down until it is actually soft. So I'm going to leave it and let it steam some more. Okay.